Minash-Shaytanir-Rajim. Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today I want to tell you about a motivational and inspirational story on Soichiro Honda. So who is Soichiro Honda and how he built a big company which nowadays popular by the name of Honda. The story begins in 1906 in a small village Tinaru, Shizuoka in Japan. The Gihi Honda and Maika Honda has welcomed their first son which named as Soichiro Honda. So the Soichiro Honda father is a bicycle mechanic, and Soichiro raised in poverty, and he lost his five siblings about health issues. So with the passage of time, Soichiro was 8 years old, and suddenly he hear a strange sound. So he followed the sound that what this sound come from. So when he followed the sound, he saw a strange machine rolling along on four wheels. This machine was the Ford Model T, and this is the first car that Soichiro see in his life. He was very excited, and he thought that one day I will make this type of machine. So he start going to their father shop. Soichiro don't like school and studies, so he spent most of his time on his father garage, on his father bicycle mechanic shop. So when Soichiro school annual result announced, so he failed his subjects, and he got cut out from his school. When Soichiro father heard about this news, so he punished Soichiro and don't give a single meal to an entire day. In 1922, Soichiro saw ad in newspaper about Tokyo Automobile Company, which named as Art Shokai. So he write a letter to Art Shokai about a job, and the company accepted a letter of Soichiro Honda about a job. So at the age of 15, Soichiro dropped out their school, leave their home, and went to off for Tokyo to pursue their dreams. When Soichiro come to Tokyo, the company owner Yuzo Sakakibara already select a job for him. The job is to take care and make happy the owner child. Soichiro was very disappointed. The only thing that made him stay is the shame of returning home failure and facing his parents. With the passage of time, the owner of Soichiro pulled him up and helped him out. So Soichiro gradually learning about the process of repairing a cars and bicycle. Through his work, Soichiro quickly became familiar with a wide range of different model of car, including Lincolns, Mercedes, Daimlers, and even bicycles. So Soichiro decided to make their own company. So he resigned from their job at Art Shokai. In 1939, Soichiro decided to make his own company to manufacture piston rings. The name of company is Hokai Seiki Heavy Industry. He worked very hard day night to design a different varieties of piston rings. Toyota contacts Soichiro to make piston ring for his company. So Soichiro start making a different design of piston ring. Soichiro complete 50 piston rings, and only 3 of them are fast by Toyota company. So Soichiro was very disappointed at that time, but he did not give up. So Soichiro starts studying more about piston ring to design a better version of piston ring, and he trying about piston ring, but finally he designed a different type of piston ring. So the result was very incredible. The orders start from the whole country. So Soichiro hired 2,000 more people to fulfill the orders of companies. Things was start to great for Soichiro company, but Japan joined the Pacific War in 1941, and most of the male employees have resigned from the company and drafted to military services. In 1944, the company was destructed by a bomb blast in a war. So Soichiro lost nearly everything. So after the war, the company was affected very badly, and only scrap has left in the company. So Soichiro decided to sell the company to Toyota for 4,50,000 yen. The country facing very hard time at that days. So one day Soichiro found a generator engine which are belong to the Japanese army, and the generator are used for to power up the radio signals. So suddenly the idea come to the Soichiro mind that what happen if this engine I can put in bicycle. So in 1946 he decided to rebuild their old warehouse for Honda research company. So after that he start working with 12 employees about a new bike from that old engine. In 1947 he finished the Type A engine, and for the very first time the Honda name was put in the engine. So Soichiro found the Honda Motor Company in 1948, but the only problem is that he don't have enough money to start their company. So he write a open letter to 18,000 bicycle companies in Japan, and only 3,000 companies give him positive response and give him money to rebuild their new bike. So after 1 year the company made a complete motorbike which named as the Model D, and after that the company make another bike which name is the Super Cub. So these bikes are very cheap in price and very good in working. So with the passage of time the Honda company become very popular, and nowadays the Honda company makes motorcycles, motorbikes, heavy bikes, cars, yacht, generator, water machine, water cooler, refrigerator, and other home appliances. So this is the story of Soichiro Honda, that how he make a very big company which later named as Honda. So guys, if you like this video, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and also like this video. Thank you.